Introduction. Let's discuss about a fruit that reigns over the summer and captivates every heart, the splendid mango. Frequently known as the king of fruits, mango is beyond a seasonal snack. It's a sign of tropical bliss, custom heritage and natural sweetness. Mango, botanically known as Mangifera indica, emerged from South Asia around 4000 years ago, particularly in India and Pakistan, and has since proliferated its roots across the globe. From the blonde yellow Sindri, Langra, and Chonsa of Pakistan to India profuse Alfonso, as well as aromatic Namdok Mae of Thailand. Mangoes occurs in hundreds of varieties. The aroma, taste, and texture of each variety is different. Mangoes are renowned for their juicy pulp, brilliant color, and delicious sweet taste. But beside the taste, there exists another story. Mangoes have been stated in antique texts, provided to royalty, and honored in art festivals for decades. In several customs, mango trees represent affluence, happiness, and fecundity. This fruit grows in hot, sunny climates and is generally harvested during the extreme hot season. It can be consumed ripe and juicy or green and piquant, positioning it one of the most versatile fruits around the globe. But mangoes are not only luscious, they are enriched in vitamins, antioxidants, and health promoting substances that qualify them an outstanding offering from nature. So whether you cut it, juice it, mix it or preserve it, mango is a fruit that gives joy to both your body and mind. In addition to tasty, they have lots of nutrients that make them a powerhouse for your overall well-being. One by one, let's explore the wonderful advantages of this royal fruit. 1. Strengthen immunity naturally. Vitamin C is abundantly present in mangoes, which supports healthy immune defenses and aids your body to combat against infections. Approximately 70% of your daily vitamin C requirements are fulfilled by just 1 cup of mango. Additionally, they contain vitamin A, which is essential for preserving strong mucous membranes, your body's first line of defense against infections. 2. Enhances eye health. Beta-carotene is abundantly present in mangoes, which transforms to vitamin A in the body. This assists in maintaining healthy vision, provides protection against night blindness, and lowers the likelihood of age-related eye conditions such as macular degeneration. They also contain antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin that shields your eyes from dangerous blue light and oxidative deterioration. 3. Promotes skin glow. Mangoes contain vitamins A, C, and E, as well as the antioxidants that support young, healthy, and radiant skin. Vitamin C facilitates collagen formation, while vitamin A aids in skin tissues healing and prevent acne. Daily mango consumption may even lessen symptoms of pigmentation, aging, and dryness. 4. Encourages heart health. Mangoes contain ample amount of potassium and magnesium that aids in blood pressure control and facilitates heart health. Furthermore, an antioxidant known as mangiferin present in mangoes has been demonstrated in researches to lessen cholesterol, save blood vessels and reduce inflammation, all of which are linked to a healthier heart. 5. Supports brain health. Vitamin B6 is present in mangoes, which contributes in brain growth and functioning. It helps in the formation of neurotransmitters that control mood, sleep, and memory. Additionally, the antioxidants found in mango may also aid in shielding the brain from oxidative damage and neurodegenerative diseases. 6. Digestion friendly. Natural enzyme like amylase occurs in mango, which assists in breakdown of carbohydrates and encourage digestion. High fiber content of mangoes maintain a healthy gut, ease constipation and facilitates regular bowel movements. 7. Improves iron level. Mango is an excellent natural option for people suffering from anemia. It contains little amounts of iron and vitamin C, which aids the body in better absorption of iron from other plant-based sources. That's why mango is a sporty fruit for women, kids and people recuperating from illness. 8. Offers instant energy. Mangoes are enriched in natural sugars like glucose and fructose that delivers immediate and long-lasting energy boost, making them perfect for athletes, students or anyone needs a little lift during the day. 9. Purifies the body. Fibers and antioxidants are abundantly present in mangoes that assist in cleaning your digestive system and promote liver health. Additionally, mangoes have compounds that help in blood purification and toxin removal. With its numerous health perks, including heart and eyes protection, beautifying your skin and enhance your energy, mango absolutely deserves its status as the king of fruits. So enjoy it without feeling any guilty, because you are giving your body the nourishment it requires. In addition to being a fruit, mangoes are also used as a flavor, an ingredient, a beauty cure and a summer custom. Let's explore the numerous amazing ways you can include mango into your everyday routine. 1. Consume fresh mango. The most common way to relish a mango is the simple, only peel and consume, whether it is consumed straight from the seed, sliced or cubed. Ripe mangoes are nature's perfect confection. You can also refrigerate the slices in the refrigerator for a cool and invigorating summer treat. 2. Mango juices, shakes and smoothies. Mango is the star component in several tropical drinks. Ripe mangoes can be blended with milk to create a creamy mango shake, or add yogurt and honey for a tasty mango smoothie. You can also mix mango with other fruits such as banana, pineapple or coconut water to make revitalizing drinks. 3. Mango salads. Mango cubes are incorporated in fruit salads or combine them into green salads with constituents like avocado, cucumber, mint and lime. The sweet and piquant taste augment a burst of revitalization and balance spicy or salty component gorgeously. 4. Desserts and sweets. Mango excels in a variety of desserts. Mango kulfi, a classic frozen dessert. Mango sorbet or ice cream. Mango mousse or cheesecake. Mango pudding, trifle or parfait. You can even place mango slices on your pancakes, crepes or yogurt bowls for a remarkable garnishment. 5. Mango addition in meals. Mango can also be utilized in savory meals. Green unripe mango is incorporated in chutneys, curries and lentils for a tart kick. In Thai cooking, it is used in dishes like mango sticky rice. In South Asian cuisines, it's often pickled with spices to make mango pickle, a beloved condiment. 6. Preserves and condiments. Mango is often utilized to make jams, jellies, sauces and salsas. Mix mango with chili, garlic and lemon to make a zesty mango salsa that goes well with grilled meats or nachos. 7. Mango for hair and skin care. Grateful to its vitamin-rich content, mango pulp can be utilized in homemade face mask to hydrate the skin, clear up acne and provide skin a radiant appearance. Mango seed oil is utilized in cosmetics and hair products to replenish dry skin and encourage lustrous and maintain healthy hair. 8. Herbal and medicinal uses. Mango leaves are utilized in Ayurvedic and traditional treatments of diabetes and digestion issues. Mango bark and kernels have been inspected for their antibacterial and antioxidant characteristics. Mango peel and pulp are loaded with polyphenols and are utilized in making teas and natural health supplements. 9. Utilization of mango in culture and festives. During religious celebrations and weddings, mango leaves are employed as representation of prosperity and protection in several South Asian traditions. Environmental friendly crafts and ceremonies also employ mango wood. Mango is a multi-purpose fruit that nourishing body and joyful in every way. Whether you consume it raw, incorporates it in smoothies, applied topically or savored it in spicy chutneys. So move forward, cherish it, use it and rejoice in it.